In this video, we'll demonstrate how to appear offline on WhatsApp. But before we dive into the main content, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to enhance your privacy on WhatsApp by appearing offline. Please share your thoughts in the comments below, as your feedback helps us create better content for you. Now, let's get started. Appearing offline on WhatsApp provides you with an extra layer of privacy, and I'll show you the settings you can adjust to achieve this. Here's how to appear offline on WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp and navigate to the settings. To do this, go to the bottom of WhatsApp to the navigation bar and click on Settings. Once you're in the Settings page, locate and click on Privacy. If you have trouble finding it, you can scroll to the top of the Settings page and use the search feature to find it. Under the Privacy settings, you'll find Last Seen and Online. Click on it. In the Who Can See My Last Seen section, set it to Nobody. This prevents others from seeing when you were last active on WhatsApp. Scroll down to the Who Can See When I'm Online section and set it to Same as Last Seen. This effectively hides your online status. To further enhance your offline appearance, consider turning off Read Receipts. This means the blue ticks won't appear when you read a message, although you won't be able to see if others have read your messages either. These settings will help you appear offline on WhatsApp, giving you greater privacy. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Your engagement is valuable to us. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. For more informative videos, please visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com. Thanks for watching.